Welcome back, beautiful creatures. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here today. I'm Cordelia, and today's video is going to be a quick 2 eyeshadow tutorial for hooded eyes, and I'm going to be featuring the new KVD Violet Aurora Dazzle Gel Shadow, and I'm also going to be featuring Karla Cosmetics Insomnia. I purchased both of these. I was very excited to see the new KVD Dazzle Gel come out, and I wanted to give it a try to see if I liked it or hated it. So I thought putting it to the test to create a quick 2 eyeshadow tutorial would be a good way to do this. So it's pretty liquidy and very gorgeous. This is the quick little 2 eyeshadow look that I put together. If you want to see how I did this, just keep watching. So we're starting with KVD Violet Aurora. And I'm using an IT Brushes for Ulta 125 brush. And I'm really just going to dip it in a little bit of the stuff that's on the lid here. So there's not a ton. It doesn't look like there's a ton of product on my brush, but trust me, there is. And I'm just going to start painting this onto my lid. Now, because I have hooded eyes with a lot of excess skin at the outer part of the eye that droops past my waterline, I like to try to do my liner, if I'm going to make it into a wing, from the bottom and pull it out more straight to kind of hide that skin. I'm switching to a Blend Bunny blending brush. This is the B2 brush. And I'm going to start blending at the outermost part of Violet Aurora. And the more you blend, like the more the little glitter flakies come out and are more prominent. I'm switching to an angled eyeshadow brush with a little bit of Violet Aurora on it, and I'm just going to do this to darken my little wing out here a little bit. Anyway, once you're happy with your blending and you got your wing where you want it and the rest of this kind of like blended out, it's time for the second eyeshadow in this look, and that is Karla Cosmetics Insomnia. And I'm using a fluffy brush. This is actually a Patrick Ta for eyes. I think it's like a 1 brush or something. And I'm just putting Insomnia on the inner part of my eye, layering it on top of Violet Aurora. Alright, I just tightlined my upper and lower line with my favorite black eyeliner, which is the Nabla Black Cupid's Arrow Longwear Stylo. It is super creamy, it doesn't tug, it's not irritating, and it's very long wearing on my watery eyes. So, tightline with this little guy. Now, I did say this was going to be a 2 eyeshadow look, and it is, but I am taking my skin tone shade powder, which is the Fenty Pro Filter Powder in 105, and I'm just using that right at the outermost part to make sure that everything looks nice and smooth on my eyes. And I went ahead and put on my favorite mascara. That is the Eyeshadow Lash Alert Mascara. I'm just using the plain black shade, but I also love their green and their purple. Alright, I finished putting on the rest of my makeup. Everything else I'm wearing is going to be in the description box down below. So let's finish up this eye look. So to tie my whole look together, I ended up using Karla Cosmetics Insomnia on my lips, on top of my lipstick, at the inner part of my lid here. And I think I'm going to tap just a little bit here on the brow bone as well. Another step that you may want to do that I am not doing today is put mascara on your lower lashes. A lot of people love to do that. I'm somebody who I've never really cared for doing it, but I do it sometimes. Sometimes when I do it, everything is fine. Sometimes when I do it, I ended up with like panda eyes. So if you do that, I recommend using a setting powder on your mascara to help keep your mascara from giving you panda eyes. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see this finished look up close. I think this is a gorgeous 2 shadow look. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial for hooded eyes featuring KVD Violet Aurora and Karla Cosmetics Insomnia. What are your favorite 2 eyeshadow looks to put together? Please be sure to let me know in the comments below. If you have any hooded eye makeup tutorial requests that you would like me to do, or if there's a new style you want me to try, let me know in the comments as well. I would love to create a tutorial just for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!